For TerraFlow, it's a software that helps pharmaceutical companies understand why the same drug works in some patients but not in others. So normally when I talk about TerraFlow, I talk about like cancer and the need to get the right drugs to the right patients. But I think really the problem we're trying to solve is that usually our client is a scientist that has kind of stuck their head out by convincing the pharma to fund this expensive clinical trial. And they have an unavoidable problem because they have to prove to their vice president that this experiment was worth it. And what our software does is basically provide a very clear, interpretable report that shows to other stakeholders that what they're doing is important.
And if they didn't, how much money would they lose, potentially?
Well, if the drug fails to go to market because they didn't discover the right biomarkers, it would be billions.
There you go. So this is what we want to try to do, and thank you, Dan, that was a brilliant example, is we want to try to identify the problem in a way that your user or your buyer is going to say, well, of course I need to do this. If I don't do this, I'm going to lose billions. My drug may not get to market because I can't even identify the right biomarkers. Now you're going to get people's attention. Now you're going to build something that is compelling, that causes people to act and want to buy. That's why these 4 U's are so important. Great.